Hi traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to make complete trading setup with IFC markets broker and MetaTrader 5. First we'll create account in this broker, and after we'll create a trading account, and then we connect trading account with MetaTrader 5. So this is complete guide for beginner trader. At the end of this video, you will be completely ready to trade in real market using IFC markets broker. So first click on the link given in video description. After click on open account. So this is account opening form. Select individual, write your first name, write your second name, write your email address, write your password. This is your main account password. Select country of residence and write your mobile phone number. Click register. User profile confirmation. Please go to your inbox and confirm your email. So open your Gmail. Confirm your email. Your email address has been successfully confirmed. So now our next step is to make our trading account in this broker. Select live account. These are trading platform NetTradex, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. We are going to make our account in MetaTrader 5. So select MT5. Choose your accounts types. This broker provides two types of account, micro and standard. I'm going to select standard. Set your leverage, set your account, trading account base currency, and take this box. I acknowledge that I have read and agree to the above documents. Click open account. So guys, we have successfully registered our trading account in this broker. Your account has been successfully opened. Your account credentials are sent to your email. So open your Gmail. Open this mail. So these are our trading account credentials. This is our login number. This is our trading account password, and this is server name. So to connect this trading account with MT5, we need three things: login number, server name and password. Now our next step is to verify our profile. Go to profile, and here you need to provide your date of birth. Here you need to provide your ID card front and back picture to verify your identity. Click add new field, and here you need to provide your ID card back side. Write your address. From this option you need to provide your proof of address. You can send any utility bill or bank statement, but this is optional. You can continue with only identity verification and click save. You have successfully submitted information for profile authorization. So guys, our next and final step is to connect our trading account with MetaTrader 5. Open MT5, go to file option, click on open an account. Here you need to search your broker. Copy your broker server name ifcmarkets real and paste here. Click find your company, IFC Market Limited. Select this and click next. Select connect with an existing trade account. Here you need to paste your login number. This is our login number. Write your login number, and here you need to paste your trading account password. So copy this and paste here. Select your server IFC Markets Real and click finish. So guys, in this way you can connect your trading account with MetaTrader 5. Now go to deposit option, and from this option you can find your trading account. You can use bank transfer, ADV cash, Visa or MasterCard, web money, perfect money. You can use crypto method using Binance or other exchanges, and domestic transfer and other. So guys, I hope you found this video very helpful. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.